Hello kids! This is Teacher Alex, the degrees of comparison. So, the degrees of comparisons are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So let me just explain to you what is positive degree. Positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison, while comparative degree is used to compare two objects, people, or places. And the last one, the superlative degree, is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. Hello students! For us to understand it more easier, I made here a diagram for us. Positive, comparative, and superlative. The first rule is we have to remember we add ER and EST to the positive adjective if that word has what? Double vowels or double consonant. Let me give you an example here. Okay, my first word is the word doll. And remember, if you see two consonants here, you will add ER, right? So let's go write the word doll and two consonants, right? So ER. So doll, dollar. And the superlative form would be dollars. And simply add EST. Is it easy? Alright, so this is the example number one. Doll, dollar, dollars. How about if we see double vowels? Like for example, the word clean. You see this? Two vowels. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're going to add ER as well. Clean, ER would be cleaner. And the superlative form would be cleanest. Alright kids, it's easy if you follow the rules. Another example is the adjective long. You see here, two consonants, right? So you're gonna add ER. Long, longer. And here, longest. Okay? So it's easy, students, right? You're just gonna add ER, ER, ER. And here at superlative, you're gonna add EST, EST, EST. For example, we're going to use the word or the adjective long. Can you think of a long thing? Hair. So let's use long, longer, and longest. Anna has long hair. Anna has long hair. But Johan's hair is longer than Anna's hair. However, Rapunzel has the longest hair of them all. Do you understand? The second rule is when the positive ends in E, we are just going to add R for comparative and ST for superlative. So let's think of adjective or positive that end in E. Like for example, the word nice. E, right? The word simple. E, the word late. And the word large. Okay. So the rule is, we're just gonna add R So nice would become nicer. Simple, simpler. Late, later. And large, larger. Easy? And how about in the superlative form? Only add st. Okay, so nice. Okay. Oh, sorry. Simple. Write the word simple and add st. Write the word late and add st. Larger, largest. Okay? So let's check it over. Nice, nicer, nicest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Late, later, latest. Large, larger, largest. It's very easy. Now students, let's use this adjective large so that we can understand it more. For example, let me think of something that is large. Large is a country, right? So Thailand is a country and it is large. However, Canada is larger than Thailand. But Russia is the largest of them all. Easy? Rule number 3. When the positive or the adjective ends in consonant plus y, drop the y, add IER for the comparative and IEST for the superlative. So let's think of an adjective that ends in y. So let's take a look about happy. Oh, you know this word, right? Happy. Okay? So what it says in here, drop the y. So let's go right but drop the y and add IER. So the word will be happier. Happy, happier. How about in superlative? We're gonna drop the y, right? And there you go. Happiest. Happy, happier, happiest. How about the word pretty? Y. Prettier. Prettier. Okay? And here, prettiest. Okay? Student, it's very easy if you follow the rules, right? Pretty, prettier, prettiest. How about the word early? Why? So it's gonna be earlier. Okay? And here, earliest. Alright, that's it. Alright, students, for us to understand it more easier, let's use pretty, prettier, and prettiest in a sentence. Let's try to think of a pretty person. Let's try to think Angelina Jolie, okay? Angelina is pretty. However, Johan, which is my daughter, is prettier than Angelina. But Anna, which is my wife, is the prettiest of them all. Okay? Easy? Number 4 rules is when the positive has one syllable or short vowel, double the ending consonant, add ER and EST. ER for comparative, EST for superlative. So let's think of short vowel, alright? So for example, short vowel, one syllable, big. The adjective, big. What else? Hot. Hot. Big, hot. And another one is red. Adjective, red. So what we're going to do is double the ending consonant. So big, ending consonant, right? So double and add ER. So it will become bigger. Big, bigger. How about hot? Double T and ER. How about red? Red, double D and ER. Okay, there. You add, you add. Alright, so big, bigger, hot, hotter, red, redder, and how about here, EST. In here, we're gonna add EST. Okay, so it will be big, double the consonant, and EST. Hot, double the consonant, and EST. Red, double the consonant, and EST. It's very easy, right? So let's go and read it again. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Red, redder, reddest. Alright students, let's talk about hot, hotter, hottest. Or let's use them in a sentence, okay? Let's think of a weather. For example, Thailand is a hot country, right? Thailand is hot. However, Sudan is hotter than Thailand. But Ganha is the hottest of them all. Okay? Rule number 5. For the positive or adjective that ends in full or FUL, ING, ED, plus has 3 or more syllables, what we're going to do is we're going to add more and most. More for comparative and most for superlative. So let's take a look for some examples. Alright, so for example, beautiful. It ends in full, right? FUL. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna write more beautiful. And here, most beautiful. How about the positive that ends in ing? For example, the word boring or the adjective boring. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna write more boring. And here at superlative we're gonna write most boring. Okay? How about the adjective that ends in ed? So we're gonna go and use the word tired. It ends with ed. Oh, this one ends in ing, okay? Tired. Ed, right? So we're gonna write more tired. Okay? And here at superlative we're gonna use most tired. Okay, students? It's very easy. Same rule, number 5. How about if the positive has 3 or more syllables? For example, expensive. Expensive, okay, 1, 2, 3, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, right? So we are gonna go do the same rule of number 5. More expensive. Here, most expensive. All right, how about if there are more syllables? So for the word more syllables, comfortable. Comfortable. All right, so let's count it. 1, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Comfortable, right? So more comfortable. And here, superlative form is most comfortable. All right, it's very easy, okay? Rule number 6. There are some adjectives that do not form from the comparative and superlative from their positives. They are what we call irregular degrees. These are the examples of irregular degrees. We have the word or the adjective good. The comparative form is better. The superlative is the best. Bad, worse. The worst. Many, more. Many or much. The comparative is more. The superlative is the most. Few or little. The comparative is less. The superlative is the least. Okay, so that's all the rules, and I hope that you will remember them so that you will not go get confused about writing it or using it in a sentence. Okay?